Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to download and install VirtualBox latest version, that is 7.2.8 on Windows 10 or 11 operating system. Okay, first go to VirtualBox official website and download. It is virtualbox.org. Click on download or this download, both are same. See here the latest release is 7.2.8. Okay, click on this Windows hosts. Select the path to download. See here, I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then click on this exe file. Click on next. Select the license agreement. By selecting this, I accept the terms of the license agreement. Then click on next. This is the installation location. If you want some other, click on the change button and select the location. Then click on next. This is just warning. Then click on yes. Click on this yes for the missing dependencies. If you want to add to start menu, select the checkbox, create desktop shortcut. Okay, select all the checkboxes and click on next. Ready to install, click on install. We have successfully installed Oracle VirtualBox 7.2.8. If you want to start after this, clicking on finish button, you have to keep this one. Otherwise, click on finish. Now search for Oracle. See here we have the Oracle VirtualBox. Click on it to open. See, we got the VirtualBox. If you want to create virtual machine, click on new or machine and select new. Or if you want to open the existing one, just click on open or go to machine and select open. If you want to verify the version, click on help, then about VirtualBox. See, we have installed 7.2.8. Now we will install Oracle VirtualBox extension pack. Okay, go to VirtualBox menu, VirtualBox official website again. Then see here we have the go to home, just click on download. See here we have the VirtualBox extension pack. Click on this accept and download. Then set the location. Okay, I have already downloaded this one also. Just you need to click on this one. It will open VirtualBox again. Select install. This is the license agreement for the VirtualBox extension pack. Just scroll down and select this. I agree. It is done. Go to action. See here we have installed VirtualBox extension pack and version number is 7.2.8. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install VirtualBox 7.2.8 on Windows operating systems. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.